Let's now turn our attention to breaking news we're tracking. A political slugfest has erupted in Jammu and Kashmir over the maiden batch of students at Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Institute of Medical Excellence in Katra, with the opposition BJP demanding the revocation of the admission list issued by the institute, even as Chief Minister Omar Abdullah said that admissions were given on the basis of merit and not religion. The controversy over the allocation of seats at this newly established Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Institute in Katra has emerged as a fresh flashpoint. Hindu organizations are now demanding that admissions be scrapped after 42 of the total 50 seats reportedly went to Muslim candidates, while Kashmir-based political parties have cautioned against viewing the process through a religious lens. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has defended the admission of Muslim students, as I mentioned. Pradeep has been tracking all the latest for us, but before that, listen in to what the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister had to say, followed by a reaction from the BJP.
जब असेंबली ने बिल पास किया माता वैष्णो देवी यूनिवर्सिटी को एस्टैब्लिश करने के लिए, उसमें मुझे बताइए ना कहाँ पे लिखा था कि एक मजहब के लड़कों को या लड़कियों को उससे बाहर रखा जाएगा। उस वक्त ये कहा गया था कि इसमें एडमिशन जो है मजहब देख के नहीं होगा, सिर्फ मेरिट देख के होगा। अब जब मेरिट के बुनियाद पे एडमिशन के फैसले हो जाते हैं तो कुछ लोगों को ये पसंद नहीं है। अगर आपको बिना मेरिट के एडमिशन करना है तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट से इजाजत ले लीजिए।
यहाँ पे वही बच्चे आए जो माता वैष्णो देवी में आस्था रखते हैं, श्रद्धा रखते हैं, निष्ठा रखते हैं, उन्हीं बच्चों को यहाँ पे एडमिशन दी जानी चाहिए। हालांकि साल पहला है, बैच पहला आया है और अधिकांश लोग इसमें विशेष समुदाय से आए हैं, लेकिन कतई भी जम्मू कश्मीर या देश के अन्य जनमानस को ये स्वीकार्य नहीं है कि ये लोग आए। इसलिए हमने लोगों की बात को, आक्रोश को, विरोध को दर्ज कराया है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी भी इसी पेज पे है, यहाँ पे वही बच्चे एडमिशन ले जो माता वैष्णो देवी में श्रद्धा रखते हैं, आस्था रखते हैं।
My colleague Pradeep has been tracking the latest developments. He joins us live for further clarity at this point. Pradeep, break down for us, is there transparency in how the seats were allocated, and what are official sources saying about the selection process?
See, already we have seen that the political controversy has started. It has become a Jammu versus Srinagar issue once again, Jammu versus Kashmir. We have seen that it's a newly formed medical college where the seats were allocated. Out of 50 seats, the 42 had gone to the Muslim students. So the right-wing party, BJP and others, they are objecting to it. They are saying that this college is being funded by the Shrine Board. So it should get a minority status, and mostly the students should be from one particular community, not the Muslim community. So far as the National Conference and the Chief Minister Omar Abdullah is concerned, they are saying that the bill for constitution of the Shrine, this Mata Vaishno Devi University was not on the basis of the religion. Nowhere it is mentioned that the people from the particular religion should get the seats. It is on the basis of the merit. So whosoever has got the merit, they have been selected. So start looking at things with those religious glasses. That's what actually the National Conference, the party leaders are insisting. But so far as the BJP is concerned, they are saying that this university, so far as this medical college is concerned, it is being funded by the Shrine Board, and the Shrine Board offerings of the Hindu devotees. So Hindus should be given the right, the maximum seats should go to Hindu students rather than going to the Muslim
Pradeep,
students.
tell us about the selection process though. What are official
imbalance.
sources saying about the selection process in this case?
So far as the official sources are concerned, they are saying that if we look at the statutes of the university, nowhere it is mentioned that it has got a minority status. Because what is important is that had this university got the minority status, only then Hindus would have been considered. But here in this case, there is no minority status. That's one of the reasons that the BJP leaders, a few days back, they have met Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha in this regard. They want that minority status to be granted, and there should be amendment in the statutes, because they want that once there will be amendment in the statutes, only then the Hindu students will be getting their due right, because then the majority of the students will be from the Hindu community. So unless and until minority status is started, so things can't change. Now let's see what actually the decision will be taken. Now the ball is in Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha's court, and let's see how the things are really going to pan out in coming days.
Indeed. As always, Pradeep, thanks so much for joining us with that update.